In this video, we will demonstrate how to read events using EtherCAT from TigoMaster to TH. In the following example, we will read events from the TigoMaster to TH, which is connected wirelessly to a ball of proximity sensor. We will use the Beckhoff PLC connected to the TigoMaster to TH and communicate using EtherCAT protocol. Reading events is done using CAN-OPER of an EtherCAT by sending SDO read command. We will read continuously index 1F03 subindex 2 in order to know when there is a new event. The value of this register becomes 1 when there is a new event. When new event occur, we will read index 1F03 subindex 4 in order to know the latest index of the event. There is a buffer of 250 events. Once we know the index of the latest event, we will read accordingly the index and get the data of the event. In order to read event, we will use the function block ECCOE-SDO-read in the TwinCAT environment. This ladder block can be found in the TC2 EtherCAT library. In general, the inputs of this block are the network ID of the EtherCAT device, which is our TigoMaster in this case, the port number, which is the EtherCAT address of the TigoMaster, index and subindex of the events addressing, address of the buffer, which is to receive the data, length in bytes of the data to be read, execute for triggering the command, and a timeout. Now we will open the TwinCAT environment. In previous videos we have already explained how to reload the ESI file, scan TigoMaster and configure its wireless ports, and configure its process data. Now we will import the PLC program in order to run the events logic. This PLC program is attached to this article. We will right-click on PLC and select Add Existing Item. We'll browse to select the PLC program and click Open. After import is complete, we can open the project and under POUs, we can see the routine read events. We will first link the network ID by right-click on AOE network ID, select Change Link, and select the network ID. We will also need to link the ADS address network ID, right-click on network ID, select Change Link, and this time we'll select the network ID which is under the TigoMaster head. Next, we will need to link the port, which is the address of the TigoMaster. Select Change Link and select the port. And we will need to link another tag for the EtherCAT sync with the PLC program. We'll right-click on WC State, change link, and select the tag Read Events Sync EC. Before activating the configuration, let's review the logic. We have a timer which is triggered every 100 milliseconds. Then each time the timer triggers, it will trigger the function block ECCOE-SDO-read, which first will read the flag that indicates when there is a new event. If there is a new event, we'll trigger again this block to read the latest index of the last event. Once we know the index, we'll trigger again this block to read the event data. Now let's activate the configuration. Let's click on Login to go into online mode and be able to view the tagged values. According to the logic, we can see whenever there is a new event, the last event was 249, and under response we can see the data of the event. Now I will trigger new event by disconnecting the device, and we can see that now the index of the latest event, actually I disconnected it and reconnected it back, so there are two events, and we can see again the data of the events under the response array. Thank you for watching this video.